Hello and good morning. I hope the start to your time with MVP has been great and fun for everyone. The last membership and fees that are required outside of Mount Vernon that you will incur are for your membership to USA and Indiana Swimming. These are our governing bodies. Indiana Swimming oversees all of Indiana Swimming, and USA Swimming oversees all of the swimming LSCs or local swim committees throughout the U.S. So the first thing you need to do is once you log into your account at mvpaquatics.org, on your dashboard here, it'll say USA Swimming. You need to go down and select the blue button, Manage USAS Registrations. Once you're at this page, you're registering a new swimmer. You need to click the red button, I'm registering my child. You do not need to register yourself unless you intend on becoming a an official or anything in that capacity. If you really are questioning that, please let me know and I'll get all the answers for you or help you with that process as well. But once you're in here, all you have to do is just fill out every box and then um, just continue through by clicking the continue button, and you'll see your fee at the very end. If you have any questions on this process, please let me know, and I'd be more than willing to help you. Thank you.